All right, so here's a look at the box first. We gotta look at the box. Look at that, man. The box looks crazy on these, right? Look at that. Look all worn and everything. Wild looking. Size 9, that's my size. You got the paper, which is really dope. You got so much old artwork, you know, from back in the days. There's the shoes. Let's look at them. Rare Air Jordan 1 High. First time looking at them. I gotta say, they look way better in person. Way better in person. Shout out to Ref, because me and Ref were talking about it. Suede here, it's actually really nice. And what's interesting here, it says Nike Air right there. So it doesn't have, like, you know, for example, the Nike Air right there. And then over here, you see how it has the Wings logo with the Air Jordan. And this wears away and goes to red. So you can like customize your sneaker. You can probably even make like little designs. I've seen people do that with stencils and everything. I do not like this sail. It's too dark. I like that off-white vibe, but this is way too dark. Just my opinion. A lot of you love this being dark like that. I don't. Just because this is so white up top, you know what I mean? And then this is just like crackhead teeth yellow right here, you know? So it's just a little much. Black outsole, Nike logo right there versus like you see here. And this shoe sitting still is a sin. This shoe is a must cop. You could get this for under retail, and I have it linked in the description, this shoe. And I don't know what resale is right now. What is this going for? Is this going for anything or not? Because they have plenty of pairs here. We're at Athlete's Foot. But all in all, the leather is decent. You have your laces here, which are really crappy looking. It's like aged looking, and it looks really nasty. I don't know if this is a flaw. You see how the laces look? And you could put the blue laces in there too. What do you guys think? Blue laces or nasty stained laces? Leave it in the comments. White stained or blue? Pick one. What laces do you like better? Leave it. Are they supposed to have like the stained look over here? That's so weird. So
that goes with the sole if you look at it.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it goes with the sole. So that's what they were trying to do here.
Yeah, it comes with both laces here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it comes with the blue, right?
Like a white and cream and then the blue to match.
Okay, I see. So if you want to get a little extreme with it and try to match this with the aged look, you're really getting the aged look here to match this. $180 out now. Did you pick them up today? Let me know. People were saying also it gives you Union vibes, like the Union one, the Union Jordan 1. So what about if you wipe this, make it red, and then you throw red laces in here? Because then now you're going to have a third color to work with. Yeah, and then you have the little hit right there. So you may have some there. Quick idea, man. Let's check out some more kicks. Hopefully we could give you a look at the other shoe too, the women's exclusive. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Watch more.